Good morning, kids. Welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss about the rook. So the rook, it moves in straight lines. For example, this rook, you can capture the star by moving it straight line. Wow, how about this? Straight line, capture the star. Excellent. This one. Okay, another one, another one. Perfect. This one, capture the stars. Two. What's next? This one, and then nailed it. Oh, there's a two rooks. So this one first, then this one, then now you can capture this star by this rook because it's not a straight line, right? So what we're gonna do, use the other rook and capture the star once again. This one, outstanding. Okay, now wanna try it? Okay, this one. What's next? This one. Now, can you capture it? No. How about this one? No. Okay, so what are we going to do? Use the other rook. This one. Yes. This one, straight line. Yes. How about this one? Perfect. This one. Yes. And then, way to go. Stage 1 complete. Thank you.